Are you a dibia or a priest?
Yeah, thank you for that question. I would say I'm both. Yes, what is even Dibia? Dibia is a master of knowledge. He's a knowledgeable one, he's a wise one. That is Dibia. Then, as you could have here, I've been at the wiseness. Then, yeah, I was here name with only about master. It was the one all Weibo. Now go Dibia Weibo. As soon as only have a professor of physics, a professor of philologist, a cardiologist, and this and that. You understand? Then there was an area of specialization. So it was called. Then a priest. A priest who only a special gift to be an intermediary between more when you mother. So naturally, I'm an ancient high priest by nature, by calling from Okuke. No, him. Yes, I become a priest, but also even before I became officially an ordinary person, spiritually, by my attainment. I'm going to hear today, but I have achieved a lot spiritual wise before I finally, on my seeking journey, I stumbled in spirituality and I find out that finally I have finally come home. Thank you.